Check out this 2015 Nissan Juke S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include turbocharged, all-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, power door locks and automatic headlights. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.